What if I told you that you can literally book an appointment to submit your travel document for a Schengen visa application in just 3 minutes? Yes, make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any important information I'm going to be sharing. This is a step-by-step guide to book an appointment on the VFS platform to submit your document for the Schengen visa. So you bear in mind that you will need your passport, you will need an email address, and you will need a payment gateway. It could be MasterCard, it could be Visa card. In some cases, you can book without the MasterCard or the Visa card, and you're going to make payment right at VFS when you are going to submit your document. So bear that in mind, and without wasting my time, let's jump straight into the video. Be sure to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Your queries are as well welcomed. Okay, so this is the platform, the VFS platform that we are going to use to apply, or better still, to book the appointment for the Schengen visa application submission. So for the purposes of this video, our destination would be Denmark. It's just for the purposes of this video, as I mentioned. So we are going to be applying the visa from Ghana, and then the country we are applying to would be Denmark. Yes. So VFS represent most of the Schengen countries. I'm going to leave the list of these countries in the comment section. Make sure you check them out so that in case you are wondering how to start your application and how to submit your application, how to book the appointment and all that, you are able to know your destination and where your journey begins. Yes, so we have selected Denmark here. We quickly click on take me to the website. Guys, forgive me, my network is a bit slow today. It rained all day, and then so let's go. We are going to book an appointment. So the first one does not apply to us, the third option does not, and then the last one does not. So it's the second option, or the second tab, to book an appointment. So I'll click on book an appointment. You can feel free to read. Yeah, so we are going to click on book now. Our email is not recognized by the VFS platform, and so we are going to select I don't have an account. So we are going to create a new account with our email and phone number, and then hopefully we are able to jump onto the platform. Right after registration, we are going to confirm our email address, and then we go straight to booking the account. So this is the email. We input our email here. Okay, and then I'm gonna choose a password. As I always say, choose a strong password. You use the capital letter, you use numbers, and then you need the special characters as well. So I'm gonna choose a very strong one here. So if it's Kofi, you want to use, the K should be capital, and then the rest can be in small letters. And then you add a number to it, like Kofi 20, and then a special character like the $sign, and then you are good to go. Here I'm going to select Ghana. Yeah, Ghana should be here. And then I'm going to input my phone number. After that, I am going to accept the platform's policy and the terms and agreement here, and then I'm going to click on register. Okay, and then it takes us to the next page. Says we've created the account, but we would have to confirm our email address. So your registration has been completed. We have sent you an email to your registered address. To activate your account, please click on the link to finish. So I'm going to jump straight into my email and do as directed. So here is my email, and I'm here to confirm my email address. So this is the message sent from the VFM guy. So this is the message sent from the VFS guys. So dear applicant, your account has been successfully created. Click on the activate account button here. So it's highlighted in blue. If in case you click and it's not working, you can copy the link below here, and then you paste it in the browser and it will still confirm your email. So I'm going to go ahead and click here since it's working, and then our account will successfully be confirmed. So it says here activation successful, and so I'm going to go ahead and log in because it will shut you out, and then you have to log in again if the account is for you. So I'm going to do that now. The email address and the password I created to log in into the account. And so this is how the interface look like. And so I'm going to click start new booking. Okay, so this is the appointment booking page, and so we are applying to Denmark, and so it's automatically selected the Denmark Application Center, which is in Accra, and then the category is the visa, and then the subcategory we would want to select a long stay. Once you select short stay, you might have been done filling your visa application form and paying the visa fee. That's the only way when it comes to Denmark you can get your cover letter ID. That is when you select short stay. But for the purposes of this video, we are going to select long stay so that we don't need that cover letter ID because we've not filled the visa form and we've not paid the visa fee. And so after selecting long stay, I'm going to click on continue. Go ahead with the process. So here I'm going to put in my details. Then I'm going to select my nationality. So I select Ghana, and then I'm going to enter my passport number. And then I'm going to add my number, my telephone number. So it's Ghana, so I'm going to select 233. Then I'm going to put my number. Then I'm going to input my email address here. So everything is correct here. I'm going to click save. Okay, so this is it. I can add another applicant here. In this case, I am alone, so I'm going to keep it here. And after accessing the information I've put on the platform, VFS is saying I have to pay a service charge of 260 Ghana cedis. And then I have a checkbox here asking if I want to make payment online. As I mentioned earlier, you will require your Visa card if you want to make the payment online. A receipt will be given anyway if you want to make the payment online, or you would want to make the payment at the application center. Once you select this one, the process is almost the same, just that you're going to proceed to a checkout page. That's the only difference. So in this case, or for the purposes of this video, I'm going to uncheck this box and continue to select the date for my appointment. Okay, so here I'm going to select my date. As you can see, book an appointment, pick an appointment type and all that. And so here I'm going to select the date, the earliest possible date. So I select 29th, and then I click continue. Then it will ask me to select the time I want to show up. I would recommend somewhere around mid-morning, around 11 a.m. so that in case you are stuck in traffic, you are able to beat and then get there on time. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to select 11 a.m. and I'll click on continue. Yes, and so it will bring me to the services page, and then VFS offers other services here. like the premium lounge, we have the prime time, we have filling of form assistance. So in case you need help to fill the Schengen visa form, yes, you can select or add, and then it will be added to your bill. And so these are the list of services here: courier, and if you want to take a photo, you are not sure of the dimensions requested or required by the Schengen area, yes, you can go there and then they are going to do that for you. If you're requesting for SMS services as well, and then we have the photocopy services also, beg your pardon. So in this video, we would not add any services. We will go straight and click on continue. So we are going to review everything that we've inputted, our name, how it's appearing and all that, the date, the time we selected, and then the standard appointment and all that, the fees. We check. This is a review page actually. So you review, and in case there's something to edit, you can just click on edit and then make it happen. If everything is fine, you come to accept the terms and conditions. You check that box, and then you check the second box which says yes, I agree to receive future communication and all that. And then click on continue. My appointment is done and it was successful. It says thank you for booking an appointment with us. We have sent the confirmation. We have sent you a confirmation email with the details, or with the appointment details. Please bring a printed copy to the application center on the day of the appointment. Yes. So we are going to check our email and see if we can find it there. And so for now, I'll click home and then go to my email. So here is my email, and then there's this email from VFS Global saying appointment confirmation, and then this is the file. So when you click on this file, the file is going to download onto your phone or onto your computer. You're going to print it, and then you take it with you when you are going to submit your document. So that is how to quickly book your appointment to submit your document with regards to the Schengen visa. Yes, with regards to the Schengen visa. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel if this video was able to assist you in any way. Don't forget to comment or leave your queries. Thank you very much, and catch you in the next one.